Order of operations. This is going to talk about in what way does Excel look at a formula. What does it read first? What does it read last? Let's take a look. First, Excel's going to look for everything that's inside of a formula, and it's going to look for anything that's in parentheses first, and then calculate what's inside those parentheses. Second, it's going to look for any exponents. Third, it'll look for any multiplication that there may be in the formula. And then fourth, it's going to look for anything that's being divided. And then fifth, addition. And then lastly, it's going to look for anything that's being subtracted. Here's two examples of formulas that I have in these two cells. I've written them out here just so that we can see them more clearly. But as you can clearly see, this first formula is not a good formula. It's not writing it, or Excel is not reading it the way in which we want it to. Right now, the results of this formula here that gets these results is ambiguous. It's a false reading. The correct way to write this formula is first do the parentheses. Excel will then read everything that's in the parentheses and calculate that first. So in this case, A1 plus A2, right here and here, of course, equals 30. And then divided by A3. Of course, our answer is 1. Pretty simple. This is your order of operations. Please take time to study this to understand the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth order of operations in which Excel will read a formula. By learning this and memorizing this, this will help you write more accurate formulas. Thanks for joining me. I hope this helped, and we'll see you in the next exercise.